Hello children, once again I welcome you all to my online class. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 2 of Footprints Without Feet, class 10, the Thieves story. In the previous video we saw how Hari Singh tried to impress Anil, and to some extent he got success also, and finally Anil became ready to admit him in his house. We also discussed that what happened when Anil prepared the food, when he cooked the food for the first time. It was terrible, but then Anil started teaching him how to cook the food. He also taught him how to write his name. So now in this video, we'll discuss the rest of the chapter. So let's start the line by line explanation of this chapter.
Well, children, today is the second video on this chapter, The Thief's Story. In the previous video, we started this chapter, and so far we have seen that the thief Hari Singh finally succeeded in making friendship with Anil, and now he is at Anil's house, and Anil has given him a lot of freedom. Even he's the one who goes out to buy Daily's supplies. Even he is able to save 1 rupee, and this is how the things are going well. And now we will see what happens next. Anil made money by fits and starts. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. Now, the thief is saying that Anil was not having any fixed job. So he was making money by fits and starts. Fits and starts means occasionally, kabhi kabar. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. Sometimes he would borrow money from some of his friends. The next week he would lend the money. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. Means he was not very careful. He was not very concerned about his money. If he is having that money, he would go out and celebrate. If he doesn't have that money, he would borrow it from somebody. And once he gets the money, he would lend that money to somebody else. So this is what Anil's life was all about. It seems he wrote for magazines, a queer way to make a living. So the thief Hari Singh, finally he realized that Anil was actually a writer. He was a writer, and he used to write for magazines, and that was what, in that way, he used to earn for his livelihood. And this was the somewhere he used to get money. One evening he came home with a small bundle of notes saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. One evening what happened, Anil, he came back to his house, and he was carrying a small bundle of notes, and he told Hari Singh that he had just sold a book to the publisher and he got the money. And that night, Hari Singh, he saw Anil putting that money under the mattress. Tuck here means to put something in order to keep it safe. Okay. So there was no locker, there was no almirah. So he kept that money under the mattress. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. Now the thief is saying that it was almost a month working for Anil, and during this period, I had never cheated him except whatever I have done on the shopping. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door and I could come and go as I pleased. And see, somewhere Anil has started, you know, बिलीविंग हरि सिंह. कहीं ना कहीं अनिल का विश्वास बहुत मजबूत हो गया है हरि सिंह के ऊपर, और यही वजह है कि वो अनिल हरि सिंह को घर की चाबी दे देता है. जब मन करे हरि सिंह आए, जब मन करे हरि सिंह जाए. तो कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी चोरी करने में हरि सिंह को, लेकिन हरि सिंह ने अभी तक नहीं किया था चोरी. क्यों? लेट्स सी. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. Now Hari Singh is saying that Anil was the most trusting person. Anil जो थे सबसे भरोसेमंद व्यक्ति थे अभी तक उन्होंने जितने भी लोग से मुलाकात की. And that is why it was so difficult to rob him. And Hari Singh says that it is very difficult to rob a trusted person. It is easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed. But it is difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he has been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. So, my dear children, I would explain this portion in detail once again. What is actually meant here? हरि सिंह ये कहते हैं कि अगर एक लालची व्यक्ति के साथ धोखा किया जाए या लालची व्यक्ति की कोई चीज को चोरी की जाए, उसे लूटा जाए, तो ज्यादा मजा आता है. क्यों? क्योंकि वो लालची व्यक्ति उस दर्द को बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पाता, और जो कुछ उसके पास से खो जाता है उसको लेकर वो बहुत ज्यादा परेशान हो जाता है. इसीलिए एक लालची व्यक्ति को लूटने में ज्यादा मजा आता है. लेकिन एक ऐसे व्यक्ति को लूटना जो लापरवाह है, ऐसे व्यक्ति को लूटने में ज्यादा कठिनाई होती है. क्यों कठिनाई होती है? क्योंकि जो लापरवाह व्यक्ति होता है उसको कई बार यह भी नहीं पता चलता कि उसके पास से कोई सामान चुरा लिया गया है या उसके पास से कोई सामान ले लिया गया है. और उस चोरी में मजा ही क्या है जिस चोरी में थोड़ा सा सस्पेंस ना हो, थोड़ी सी मेहनत ना हो, जिसमें थोड़ा सा थ्रिलर ना हो. तो ये हरि सिंह एक्चुअली यहां पर कहना चाहते हैं. आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस पार्ट. वेल, इट इज time I did some real work. I told myself I am out of practice, and if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. Now, Hari Singh, finally he decided that I have to steal the money. मैं यहाँ पे आया क्यों हूँ? चोरी करने के लिए आया हूँ. मुझे चोरी करना ही पड़ेगा क्योंकि काफी दिन से मैंने चोरी नहीं की है और चोरी करने की आदत छूट रही है. It's better to what? To steal the money. Then another thought came in his mind. What is that? He is not paying me. और ठीक है, वो मुझे तनख्वाह भी नहीं दे रहा, तो चोरी करने में कोई हर्ज नहीं है. This is what he thought. Anil was asleep. And now finally what happened? Night time, and Anil was sleeping. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. A line of light of moonlight fell over the balcony and fell on the bed. I sat up on the floor considering the situation, and Hari Singh was waiting for the situation to steal that money. Now see what all he's thinking. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. Now he's thinking that if I steal the money right now, I would easily catch the 10:30 express, the train that goes to Lucknow. Slipping out of the blanket, finally what happened? Hari Singh came out of his blanket. I crept up to his bed. Crept means to move quietly up to his bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. Anil was sleeping very peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. And his face was looking very clear and unlined. Unlined means without any tension. Now see, Anil kept that money under that mattress. Still, he is sleeping without any tension. That shows that Anil was having a lot of faith on Hari Singh, and Anil started trusting Hari Singh, and that was the reason that he was sleeping without any tension. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scars. Now the thief is saying that I had more, scars and marks on my face than Anil. My hand slid under the mattress. Slid means sarak kar andar haath le jana, searching for the notes. When I found them, I drew them out without a sound. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. Finally, what happened? Hari Singh quietly he put his hand under that mattress और धीरे से उन्होंने वहां से पैसा निकाला और जो पैसा निकाला तभी जो है हल्की सी अनिल ने जो है एक आहें भरी नींद में और घूम गया किसकी तरफ वो Hari Singh की तरफ. I was startled. Startled means all of a sudden, frightened, surprised, and quickly crawled out of the room. Crawled means to move slowly with the body close to the ground. ठीक है ना? और वो रेंगते हुए जो है जल्दी से जो है हरि सिंह ने पैसे चोरी करके रूम से बाहर निकल गया. When I was on the road, I began to run, and once he was on the road, he started running. I had the notes at my waist, held there by the string of my pajama. String means nada. So what is happening here? जो पैजामे की नाड़ा नाड़ा होता है उससे जो है उन्होंने उस पैसों के नोट को अपनी कमर पर बांध रखा था. I slowed down to a walk and counted the notes, 600 rupees in 50s. So altogether, how many rupees were there? 600 rupees were there, and all the notes were of 50s. I could live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two, and that much and that money was sufficient for him to live a lavish life for a week or 2 weeks. उतना पैसा पर्याप्त था उनके लिए एक या दो हफ्ते एकदम रईस इंसान की तरीके से जीने के लिए. So we'll stop here, and I hope you have understood whatever we have discussed so far. Now we'll move on to the question answer section. So these 4 questions will be your homework. Let's find out the first question. What did Anil do for his livelihood? We have already discussed that Anil used to write for a magazine. He was actually a writer. Second question. What does Hari Singh say about the different reactions of people when they are robbed? This also we have discussed. Hari Singh, he said that, when a greedy person is robbed, he cannot afford. But when a careless person is robbed, it is more difficult to rob a careless person because sometimes he even, he did not even notice that he had been robbed. What did Hari Singh do once he stole the money? And next question is, what did Hari Singh do once he stole the money? We all know it very well. Once he stole the money, he came out of the house, he started running on the road, and he was, having that money on his waist, tied by the strings of his pajamas. And he was ready to catch the 10:30 train to Lucknow. And the fourth question, why was Anil sleeping with his face clear and unlined? What was the reason that Anil was sleeping without any tension? The reason is very obvious, that Anil somewhere had a tremendous amount of faith on Hari Singh, and that was the reason he was sleeping without any tension. So these are the questions. Once again, my dear children, go through the chapter, and whatever questions have been given, do it. Underline the difficult words. If any confusion, you can ask me. Thank you.
Well, children, I hope whatever we have discussed today is quite clear to all of you. Just go through the chapter once again, and whatever homework has been given to you, do it sincerely. Any confusion, please feel free to ask. And that was all from this video. Take care and God bless you.